Wait, fearful face. If you want free gems without hacks, don't skip this video. This is not a scam crossmark. No fake websites, no hacks, and no risk to your account checkmark. Most people try hacks to get gems and end up getting their accounts banned. Grimace. But today I'll show you a safe and legit way. If you love getting free gems and game tips, make sure to subscribe right now and turn on notifications bell because I post these tricks regularly. First, always complete daily tasks. Second, never skip special events. And third, use features most players ignore. That's where free gems actually come from. Gemfire. Comment below down finger. How many gems do you have right now? I reply to real comments only. Speech balloon red heart. If this video helped you even a little, hit like, thumbs up and subscribe. Fire. Guys, if you want a Lanimal evolution,